This looks like just a hole in the ground, but what this man builds inside will shock you. By the end of this video, it turns into a fully hidden underground bunker. It all starts with digging, simple, raw work, but step by step, the space begins to take shape. The walls are reinforced, making it strong enough to hold the earth above. What was once just dirt slowly becomes a structured underground shelter. Every detail matters, from stability to layout. This isn't random, it's carefully planned. And then comes the real transformation. Inside, it becomes a livable space, with room for rest, storage, and survival essentials. At this point, it doesn't even feel like a bunker anymore. It feels like a hidden underground home. Would you live here? Subscribe for more insane bunker builds and survival projects.